Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need and stopping power to prevent shorts. Once done, label left and right and mark polarity so you maintain phase. Strip about 10 to 12 millimeters of insulation, then twist the copper strands tightly. This prevents stray strands that can short. If you plan to solder, tin the twisted end now, but otherwise fit a connector. Make sure the connector or bare wire seats cleanly in the terminal before moving to the receiver side. Now attach the cable to the speaker first, because it's easier to manage speaker terminals. You place red or marked wire into the plus terminal and black or unmarked into the minus. Once inserted, tighten the terminal so the wire doesn't move. Do the same at the amplifier or receiver, keeping left and right consistent. Route the cable neatly, avoiding parallel runs with AC mains to reduce hum. If your system uses by wiring or jumpers, make sure with connections made, power the amp on at a low volume to avoid surprises. You play a familiar track or test tone and listen for balanced output and proper bass response. If one speaker is weak or out of phase, immediately lower volume and recheck polarity at both ends. Tighten any loose terminals and inspect for stray strands. If problems persist, use a multimeter to confirm continuity and correct impedance. Swap cables to isolate faulty segments. Correcting polarity or a bad connector usually fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.